Hi everyone. Today is 25th Christmas. I want to wish all my followers whoever sa like long photo blomi sa atin sa comment long wala pictures blomi without wishing you Merry Christmas na also you sa just view photo blomi na videos blomi wala wishing you to Merry Christmas. And also one message to all I would like to give to all my followers, stay safe and put God first, and make sure we're going to 2026 make a goal and vision so you'll achieve for the next